Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to swap out these two stainless braided lines with a different kind of stainless braided line.
Because they're not really stainless braided, there's just rubber in there.
Right. So this is an instant hot water heater, and first thing we got to do is turn the power off by hitting that button that I can't reach. Can you turn it off for us?
I gotta do everything.
Thank you, sir. Perfect. And the second thing we're going to do is cut off the cold water supply line and drain the water from the pipe. So we're going to go inside and drain the hot water. So we've got the tub, the hot water side opened up, and now we're going to crack the valve a little bit so to kill the vacuum. It's not gonna leak because the water being sucked in. All right, so we crack the vacuum, and so we just wait for about 2 minutes, and we're gonna start detaching the pipe. All right, now that we have the pipe should be mostly drained by now, so we're going to commence with the removal of the shark bites, and you should get these horseshoe shark bite removers because they're very handy. They make removing these things a snap, literally.
Super easy.
Yeah.
Barely an inconvenience.
Very appropriate. Well, so these are brass nipples, and we're going to be attaching it to stainless steel, which usually doesn't matter as much as, for instance, brass or copper-based material and aluminum.
Never do that on your hoses, by the way.
Yeah, for dissimilar metal. So we want to try to minimize the electrolysis between different metals. And
Also helps prevent leaks.
well, yeah, it may, but in this case, the gasket is what stops the leaks. So
You can never have too many things stopping leaks, in my opinion.
that's true. I agree with that logic. Time lapse, we'll do a montage.